Hello, hello. Good Monday morning, and it is December 1st. Can you guys believe this? It's December. I mean, where did this year go? It went. Um, I I just I'm blown away by how quick this year has just flown by. But today is a special day because I am collaborating with Shannon at the Spoony Stitcher once again, and we're doing the 12 Days of Christmas. We sent each other a Christmas box with 12 gifts in them, and we're opening one gift each day to see what we sent to each other. So today I'm going to start. This is day one, and I'm going to have a playlist, and it's called 12 Days of Christmas at 12 Days of Christmas Collab. And if you miss any of these videos, you can go back and look at the playlist to catch up. But she sent me this sweet, I love peanuts. She knows how much I love Charlie Brown and peanuts. And so, sweet card, for unto you in this day, the city of David, the Savior, which is the Lord. um, is just beautiful. And it says, you can read everything in here on the channel. Nothing should make you cry. Famous last words, Shannon. Here's hoping you laugh, squeal, and smile with every package. Hugs. Follow the directions. Amid the hurry of the holidays, may you find time to pause and reflect and to rejoice in the true meaning of Christmas, Shannon. So cute, cute, cute. So here is the letter. And it says, Merry Christmas, and may 2026 be the year of wow. We hope so. Dear Teresa, my dear friend, it was such a delight to find, make, search for all of these different gifts for you. I had one more idea, but that will have to wait for another time. Ran out of time. I hear you saying, what's the theme this year? Well, if there was a theme, I think it would be favorite things. Mine or yours, though. Guess you'll have to wait and see. Here's how this box works. Anything with a number on it, you open that day in December. Anything without a number on it, open it whenever you want. Oh, and her mom put Shannon said her mom put like two or three gifts in here. So, on probably tomorrow, I will open a gift from Shannon and a gift from her mom. So, open the two identical cylinders immediately. I did that already, and they were Shannon's snickerdoodle cookies. Oh my goodness, were they amazing. So good. This is the special surprise I was working on for 24 hours. Really wanted to send it on your birthday, but just did not work out. The item that says open first, you need to open day one. Okay, and that is this little guy. Open first. I'm loving all the Snoopy stuff. Thank you for inviting me to do this with you. I hope you love everything and have fun unboxing all the pretty paper. All right, I'm sure I will. So let's get into day one, because we have two things to open, and then she put this fun little thing in here. Each day that I open, after I open the gift, then I flip up this flap to see what's underneath it. So let's see what day one has. We got to open this one first, and there's a little note. Let's see what this says. Okay, well, let me see. Such cute paper, too. She's talking about all her paper, and she finds the cutest wrapping paper. Oh, what is this? What is this? This is so fun. I'm going to have so much fun with this. And this is, like I said, this is the 12 days of Christmas. So today through the 12th, we'll be opening what we got from each other. And after you watch my video, go take a look at Shannon's. Okay. Put this over here. Oh, cool. Oh, I love these things. It's a little cutter, slicer. You can open packages. You can cut your wrapping paper with it. Anything. Oh, and there's something stuck to it. Okay, so we've got this, the little slice. Yay! Thank you, Shannon. I will need that when I'm doing wrapping Christmas gifts. So that's perfect timing. Let's see. Oh, cute! And some little fold-up scissors. I love getting gifts and I love opening presents. It's so fun. These are so cute. Okay, so I'm guessing. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, I am loving that. I'll never lose this because you guys know how I am, especially, the shirt that Paige from Paige Love Pumpkins sent me that says, "Where's my I just had it in my hand." That will never get lost, Shannon. That is pure genius. I love these little scissors. How cute. That is attached, and you just stretch it up and put it right back over to cover it up. That is genius. Love it. So, what does this say? Slice. Every home needs this tool. I love mine. Cuts everything but not skin. Tiny pink scissors because it's pink and cute. You never know when they might come in handy. Exactly. So she wanted me to do that first. So here we go. Flip. For those brilliant ideas. I'm thinking notebook. What do y'all think? I think it's a notebook. I love when she does stuff like this and she puts little hints and notes and things on her gifts. It's so fun. Oh, oh, how cute is this? Guys, this is adorable. Look. Yeah, I may have to see if I can create those granny squares. Those are so cute. Oh, I love it. And it's got a little pin with a pom-pom on it. And in true Shannon fashion, because she loves them, it's hard covered. Oh, Shannon, I love it. It's a lined notebook. I can use, oh, whoa, something just fell out of it. Hold on. It's got a ribbon in it to mark your place. Oops, sorry. Sorry, guys. Oh, look at these stickers. Big twist sticker sheets. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. So stinking adorable. You know what? I think I'm going to use these to mark special days on the calendar that I don't need to forget. Oh, I love it, Shannon. So for the first day of Christmas, I got a notebook, some stickers, the neatest pair of little scissors, and a little safety cutter. Yay! Shannon, I absolutely love it. I cannot wait till tomorrow. But wait a minute. I forgot. There's one more thing I have to do. Um, now we've got to take day one and flip this up and see what it says. Okay. Let's see. Being very careful here so I don't tear the paper. All right. It says, to write all those wonderful pattern ideas in pen made me laugh. Enjoy the stickers. Ah, I'll have to save a page just for our sayings that we're going to use on our next either t-shirt or tote bag. So we'll have to record stuff in there on that too. But I've got pattern ideas and I can start writing down my baby blanket patterns in here and some other things. So it'll be great even to record my patterns that I'm doing for Battle of the Stitches. So thank you, Shannon. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So I've got another package laying here, but I'm going to open that in a separate video to send to Shannon because she wants to see me open it. So anyway, this is Christmas day 1. Tomorrow, day 2. And Wednesday, I'm going to do day 3, but we will also have our first Wednesday of Battle of the Stitches, where I will be introducing our new stitch for this month. And we have Jana Kay that is going to be joining us. And where did I put my phone? Here it is. Let me look this up real quick. I do this all the time. There's always something I think I should have done that before I got on here, and then I didn't do it. Let's see. No, that's not it. Flourish Crochet with Jana K.
I know. My name is Jana K. at
Flourish Crochet with JK. Jana K. There you go. I had to look up. She changed her name of her channel, and I had to make sure I had it correct. But Jana K is joining us this month, and so Wednesday I will be showing you our stitch for the month and how to make that stitch. So I really hope you guys participate this month and make something. I already have mine in mind of what I want to make, so I'm really excited to get started on that. And then we'll just see what happens Thursday and Friday with days 4 and 5. So yeah, so I'll have a video actually on Saturday and Sunday too, because I'm going to continue with the 12 days of Christmas. So I hope you guys have a great day. Um, I had my cup of coffee, so I'm good to go. The men that are doing the remodel on the kitchen will be here anytime this morning. So they'll probably get here while I'm uploading this video. And so more pictures this afternoon coming on the community tab of the progress that they made today. Supposed to be getting the cabinets in um, sometime this week. They said the first week of December is what is slated for cabinets going in. So I'm really excited for y'all to see the cabinets. I think they are so pretty, and I cannot wait to see them up. So pictures coming later. But I hope you guys have a marvelous Monday, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of the 12 days of Christmas. Bye, guys. Have a great day.